Okay guys, I made a video for you because we've got a lot of people who haven't finished the last two assignments, which are newsletter part 1 and part 2. So I'm going to make a video to help you out. All you need to do is make sure that you open Microsoft Word and open a blank document and just follow these instructions. They're pretty simple. All we're going to do is make the header for it. So the first thing that we have to do is we've got to set our margins. So you're going to go to Page Layout tab. You're going to click up here on Page Layout. Then you're going to choose the More button on Margins. Go all the way down to Custom Margins. And the top, bottom, left, and right, all those ones need to be changed to 0.75. So make sure that you change all 4 of those to 0.75. And when you're done, just simply click OK. After you clicked OK, we also need to change our theme. So you're going to click on the Design tab. You'll go to Themes. You're going to choose the one that says Damask so that we can have the correct color palette. After you've chosen that, we want to go to Insert, and we're going to insert some word art. So once you click on word art, we want to go to the third column, and we want to go to the third one down, which if I let my cursor hover over here, it gives us the pink accent outline. So this is the one we want. Click on there and you get your text box. You don't have to erase this or anything. You can just start to type. And you're going to type Campus Post. Make sure your C and your P are both capitalized. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the size of this. So over here on the size dialog box, we're going to change this to 1.44. And we're going to change this width to 7. So after you change the height and the width, just simply hit enter on your keyboard. Alright, so now once you have this, once you've hit enter, we want to make sure that we go ahead and select this. Make sure it's selected. We're going to go to Text Fill. We're going to go all the way down where it says Gradient and choose that. We're going to go to where it says More Gradient. And under this Text Fill, we're going to go Gradient Fill. And right here where it says Preset Gradients, we're going to choose the one that's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th column, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th row. And it should say Radio Gradient Accent 5. So we'll choose that. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and X out. And you also want to go out to the Layout button, Layout Options, and we'll click the Layout Options. And you want to come down to this one where it says Top and Bottom. So we'll click Top and Bottom. You can go ahead and X out. So now, the only thing left for us to do, that's everything in part 1. You can save it right here and turn it in. But let's just go ahead and finish the text effects. So we're going to click on text effects and go down to where it says transform. And we're looking for the one that says, what it says, double wave, I believe it is. Let's see. That's can yeah, double wave one. So it's the 3rd column, and it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one down. And there you go. So we'll have our Campus Post with the double wave. And now we want to move on to, this is the second part of the newsletter. So once you have that, you can double click outside of there. And we want to make sure that we hit backspace so that we can get to the very beginning of our margin. So I'm going to click over, and here we've done this part right here. We did number 1. We changed the format to double wave. The next thing that we need to do is set the tabs. Alright, so we have our cursor below the word art. We're going to open the dialog box and click tabs. We're going to change it to 7. And how we're going to do that here in the paragraph dialog box, we're going to choose this More button. And we're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says tabs. And right here, tab stop position, we're going to change that to 7. And for the alignment, we're going to change it to right. And you want to click set and OK. Alright, then if I click back over to the instructions, it tells us to type student newsletter. Then we're going to press the tab button. Then we're going to type issue 42. So let's see here. We want student newsletter. Then we're just going to hit tab. And you have to hit it twice. But we hit tab, and it's going to right align your cursor. And we're going to type issue. Oops. Issue 42. Alright, so we have our tab set, we have that in there. Now the last thing you have to do is put a border, an underlined border on it. So make sure that your cursor is inside of these letters. And we're going to go up here to our borders. We're going to choose the border button. We're going to go all the way down to borders and shadings. We want to click custom because we want a custom border. And we're looking for the one that's wavy. So one line wavy. And here it is right here. So I'll click on it. And let me go back to the directions really quick. Alright, so here we are. We have our wavy, and the color that we're looking for is going to be pink accent 5 darker 50%. So it's in the second to last column, and it's in the last row. You just click that. You want to change the width to 1.5. And here, under the preview, we're going to choose this underline button here. And once you do that, you'll see that it's placed in there. So make sure you click that or it's not going to work for you. So then once you've done that, simply click OK. And there you have your header for your newsletter. Make sure you save it. Go to File, Save As, choose My Documents, and then save that as newsletter or whatever you're going to save it as. And that's how you're going to make sure you get it turned in. So make sure you get this done. Just use this video, go step by step, make sure you get this done. This is worth 50 points, so make sure you get this in.